Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrorad AeroFlow radiator and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on the radiator. Now there's going to be one of two reasons you're going to want to do this probably. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radiator is not heating or it's not working or not turning on, or if it's not connecting to the app, or if it's not syncing with your devices, anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You're going to need to set everything up again. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get this for whatever reason, you want this just to be the way it was when it came out of the box, with everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite simple. We just need to get this screen on. You might have to hit the OK button to get the screen on. Once the screen's on, we can hit the OK button to open the menu. And then we're going to use these arrows to toggle down to the configuration menu and hit the OK button. And then we're going to toggle down from there. You'll have to hit the down arrow 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that'll toggle you down to an option that says factory RE-SE, basically factory reset. You're going to hit the OK button, and then it will actually give you the instructions from here. It's basically going to ask you to hold this button, press and hold this button for 5 seconds to confirm, just to make sure it doesn't get accidentally reset. You have to press and hold for 5 seconds, at which point the radiator will reset to the way it was when it came out of the box.